YouTube. It's us again. I'm cleaning the bench and she's doing whatever she feels like doing. So, another one of those bench cleaning videos. Right, Kyle? Right. I made a video a couple of days ago, a couple weeks ago, I don't know. I haven't done a video in a while because...
I put a marker in there.
Oh, you took a marker too?
Yeah.
Show the hammer that you hijacked off me. Say, look, Arco.
Look, Arco.
Say, check out this hammer. Let me see. I'll show
Check out this hammer.
Say, my daughter stole this hammer off me. You might like it. Say, you like that hammer, Arco?
You like that hammer, Arco? I guess this is mine now.
I guess it's yours now. Yeah.
Whatever I put in here, it's mine.
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah.
You really think so?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
I put these in.
What is that? You're just taking everything? You want some vice grips? Wait, I'll get you some.
Okay.
Hold on.
This beetle.
Why won't this work? Stupid ass new vice grips. Wait, come here. Get you some vice grips. Every kid needs vice grips, right?
Right.
Let's check the vice grip drawer. No, this isn't the vice grip drawer. This is the vice grip drawer. Do you want a mini pair?
Yeah.
You want two more mini ones? There you go. Cool, huh? Show them your grips. Cool, huh? Kitty grips. Yeah. They even got buffalo pliers. Look like dinosaur.
Buffalo.
Wait, what's it say? Hold on.
Buffalo.
Tell you what it says. Hold on. Let me see. What's it say on there? It says
You're my best friend.
Barcolo Buffalo USA. Here, you play with this. This is garbage. Garbage. Lots of garbage. This video might not win any awards, but we're doing something, right? I don't know what this is.
Dinosaur.
Look at this weird tool. I don't know what it does. Probably pinches fingers. Right?
Right.
It's a finger pinchy. Oh, I should put this on the other side too. I made a... Might as well make this a tool video, see? I bought some more DeWalt 4.5-inch discs, and I bought a DeWalt, what is this, 40 grit flap disc. I picked up this one I picked up off the floor because it was on the floor. I think I did a video of this too. 5-pack DeWalt, 15-pack Porter cable, another 10-pack. I'm going to put them over on the other side where all my stuff. What are you doing, Ian? What are you doing? What are you pinching? Gum? Pinching your nose? Silly bird. Look what I got. Sandpaper. Really smooth one. See? 1500 grit sandpaper. Yeah, I could brush my teeth with it. Yeah. No, you don't steal my snap-on screwdrivers. Hell no.
Yeah.
You want some Craftsman ones? Yeah. Start off with the Craftsman. Here.
The Craftsman.
Craftsman these are actual Craftsman made in USA ones. Before they went bankrupt. Look, see? You want a screwdriver? Come here. I'll give you screwdrivers. One like this. That's a Craftsman. No? Oh, yeah. Or do you want like mini ones like this? Like that? You want tiny ones? Hey, look, this is a cool one. Hey, look, there's a cool one too. See? Which one? You want the small one like this? Here. Oh wait, I got any better ones. Might got some in here. Here's a mini Craftsman. You want that one? Here's that one. Tiny short one. There you go. Oh wait, got a Phillips one. Phillips head. You know the difference between these? Oh, careful. Don't kill yourself. It's a good thing we have this giant machine in the way. Otherwise, we'd be making a video we could actually see. You want to make a video and show everybody your toolbox? Wait. We'll stop this one. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Say thanks for watching this crazy video.
Thanks for watching.
We're going to make another one, so stay tuned.
Yeah.